Farmhouse Style Decor. Farmhouse decor is a timeless design style that brings warmth, simplicity, and charm to any home. It emphasizes natural materials, vintage touches, and functional layouts, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether you live in the city or the countryside, farmhouse decor can transform your space into a rustic haven. 1. Neutral color palettes. Farmhouse decor relies on soft, neutral tones such as whites, creams, grays, and beige. These colors create a calming and cohesive look, providing a perfect backdrop for rustic accents and natural materials. 2. Reclaimed wood furniture. Reclaimed or distressed wood is a hallmark of farmhouse style. Look for wooden dining tables, coffee tables, or shelving units with a natural, weathered finish. These pieces add authenticity and character to your decor. 3. Shiplap walls. Shiplap walls, with their horizontal wooden planks, are a classic farmhouse feature. They bring texture and charm to any room, whether painted white for a clean look or left natural for a rustic vibe. 4. Vintage and antique accents. Incorporate vintage or antique elements such as old clocks, metal signs, or heirloom furniture. These pieces add a sense of history and uniqueness to your space, giving it that authentic farmhouse feel. 5. Open shelving in kitchens. Farmhouse kitchens often feature open shelving, showcasing rustic dishware, mason jars, and wooden cutting boards. This design not only adds charm but also keeps the space functional and inviting. 6. Textiles with natural fibers. Choose soft, natural textiles like linen, cotton, or burlap for curtains, throw pillows, and table runners. Striped or checkered patterns, as well as neutral colors, enhance the rustic farmhouse aesthetic. 7. Farmhouse sink. A large, deep farmhouse sink, often called an apron sink, is a staple of this style. It combines practicality with classic charm, making it a centerpiece in any farmhouse kitchen. 8. Wicker and metal accents. Mix wicker baskets, galvanized metal trays, and wire storage containers to add texture and functionality. These items are perfect for organizing while contributing to the farmhouse aesthetic. 9. Cozy lighting fixtures. Farmhouse lighting often includes industrial-style or vintage-inspired fixtures like wrought iron chandeliers, mason jar pendants, or lantern-style sconces. Warm lighting enhances the cozy atmosphere. 10. Statement barn doors. Sliding barn doors are both practical and decorative in farmhouse design. They can be used for closets, pantries, or as a room divider, adding a rustic touch to the home. Conclusion. Farmhouse style decor blends rustic charm with modern functionality, creating a space that feels both timeless and welcoming. By incorporating neutral tones, natural materials, and vintage elements, you can achieve the perfect farmhouse look in any part of your home.